Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80070490 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The second solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Now click on cleanup system files. Click on OK once again and it will start scanning. At one stage it will mention Windows Update Cleanup and then make sure that it cleans that up and it will remove everything. The last solution is System Restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore and then you can choose a different restore point and then choose a good restore point. Click on next and finally on finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.